Certainly. Here's a detailed explanation on how to start a YouTube channel and earn money. Starting a YouTube channel and earning money from it involves several steps and strategies. In this guide, we'll explore each step in detail to help you understand the process. Let's devane. Choose your niche to start a successful YouTube channel. You need to choose a niche that you're passionate about and that has an audience. Research different niches, identify your interests, and evaluate the market demand for content in those areas. Select a niche that aligns with your expertise and has the potential for growth. Set up your channel 300 ords, Creatia, Google account if you don't have one already, and use it to set up your YouTube channel. Choose a channel name that reflects your content and is easy to remember. Customize your channel's layout, branding, and design to create a visually appealing and cohesive brand identity. Plan your content strategy for 00 ords. Develop a content strategy that outlines the types of videos you'll create, their formats, and the frequency of uploads. Consider your target audience's preferences and interests when planning your content. Create a content calendar to help you stay organized and consistent with your uploads. Create high-quality videos 600 ords. Invest in good equipment, such as a camera, microphone, and lighting setup, to ensure high-quality video production. Learn basic video editing skills or use editing software to enhance your videos. Focus on creating engaging and informative content that provides value to your viewers. Optimize your videos for search 500 ords. Implement search engine optimization (SEO) techniques to make your videos more discoverable on YouTube. Research relevant keywords and incorporate them into your video titles, descriptions, and tags. Write compelling descriptions that accurately represent your content and use eye-catching thumbnails to attract viewers. Build an audience 800 ords. Promote your videos through social media platforms, online communities, and your personal network. Engage with your audience by responding to comments, asking for feedback, and encouraging discussions. Collaborate with other YouTubers or influencers in your niche to expand your reach and tap into their audience. Monetize your channel 700 ords. To start earning money from your YouTube channel, you need to meet the eligibility requirements for the YouTube Partner Program (IP). These requirements include having 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Once eligible, apply for the IP and enable monetization on your videos. Explore revenue streams 800 ords. YouTube offers various revenue streams to monetize your channel. The primary source of income is through advertisements displayed on your videos. You can also earn money through YouTube Premium revenue, channel memberships, merchandise shelf, super chat, and YouTube Shorts fund. Explore these options and identify the ones that align with your channel and audience. Understand YouTube's policies for 00 ords. Familiarize with YouTube's policies and guidelines to ensure compliance. Adhere to copyright laws, community guidelines, and advertising policies. Violations of these policies can result in strikes, demonetization, or even the termination of your channel. Stay informed about any updates or changes to YouTube's policies. Track your analytics and optimize. 600 ords. Utilizative analytics to gain insights into your channel's performance. Monitor metrics such as views, watch time, audience retention, and engagement to understand what's working and what needs improvement. Use this data to optimize your content strategy, make informed decisions, and grow your channel. Stay consistent and persistent 300 ords. Building a successful YouTube channel takes time and dedication. Stay consistent with your upload schedule and continue improving your content based on audience feedback. Be patient and persistent, as it can take months or even years to see significant growth and revenue from your channel. In conclusion, starting a YouTube channel and earning money requires careful planning, high-quality content creation, audience engagement, and understanding the monetization options available. It's a journey that requires continuous learning and adaptation. Stay committed, enjoy the process, and be persistent in pursuing your YouTube goals. Good luck!